Welcome back everyone to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles on the Subnautica game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Subnautica on your device. And after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to enable or disable subtitles, go ahead and click on Options. Now within the Options page, make sure that you are within the General tab. And now within this menu, you will see the Subtitles section. You can either check or uncheck the enabled box, which will either turn on or turn off subtitles. You can also set the speed of the characters and set them to either move slow or much faster. After setting your desired level, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. You can then continue to play with your chosen subtitle settings. And if at any point you wish to change this setting once again, you can follow the same steps by going into General Options and using the toggle to enable or disable subtitles. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your subtitle settings on the Subnautica game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.